sa loko subscribe and go subscribe mfukeni matsongo mahlangani maka hina so leswi lava ku hi vulavula hi xona muthe hi vulavula hi timhaka ta ku i cini chusa ku tintlambi na swi tiva ku mhaka leyiwani ka vanhu vo tala ta fika yi va uncomfortable va twisisa a yi fiki kahle wun'wana swi ta mi tikela ku yi digesta na vo ta swi ta va tikela ku yi digesta kambe timhaka ta so hi fa hi vulavula hi tona na ta artist leti nga consistent ka nkarhi wa sweswiwani ti hi nyika ku music wa kahle ti nga vu ti hi lahlekela because of the same mistakes leti ti endliwaka ti artist letin'wanyana so the first thing lexi wisaka ti artist va vatsonga va ka hina i ku tsandzeka ku ti branda u dya hi association u dya by default. I'm gonna give you a very nice example. Prince Rangane, let me get the psychology. Prince Rangane, the one thing that killed him, you could look so Abbas would have people poison. Prince Rangane, visible, there was nothing that we could spot. Prince Rangane and Teleshwan, Potam of Fleshwan. I got we used to sometimes confuse him with Joshua. It voice come look Bambana, Rangane got that default happy. This is what Tarana little at the child rotation interesting after Lipo poison. It will not be managed. It had involved beefly I cut na pain. So relevance head of weapon who will start by default. So when you are a star by default, when you lose that default, this star, which was Ben Mangani, you lose your default over the same shit goes to psychology. Psychology, Josh Man sideline for so many for a very long time to that extent that psychology became irrelevant because he couldn't brand himself. So the one thing that you must do to avoid as an artist, brand yourself. Let people know you for who you are, do interviews. Keep activity na social networks and all those kind of things. The very same thing, she not take a Russian name. You see, Russian name I active for social networking. Na mina I'm not Russian name. I won't even know them because they can't keep that. They're not branding themselves. Kuba survivor through good taste of music. Brand yourself. NEC is a very good example of how you brand yourself. Secondly, the shows of that is the shifter management ya dlaya na ngeta futhi ku managewa swa dlaya ntlangu because management ifika ikunyika matirhelo matswa sound ya wena in most cases ya cica alongside Nes Matlala na Hangalasa bafuki va pfumela ku join management ya vona va cicana sound ya vona si hangalasa ala ku yimbelelanga do hikuva hangalasa a n'wi rhandzela ku hangalasa mayimbelelo ma yema lama a twa a bahuwa a ma tsakisa so xa birixo xa management xiti management ya dlaya xa na know your identity as an artist. Persimfana is a very good example ya ku Persimfana i prostitute artist a swi twisiseki sound ya yena a yi consistent ku vi na nkarhi Persimfana a ri ka high peak hi mhaka sound ya yena but high peak ya yena yi fiki yi n'wi tsandzela ya nga fika suka a ya tlanga na vobeni swona ku ngheneleta relationship to ka u nga swi tivi ku ta survive ku fika kwihi sweswiwani Persimfana is normal because of that. He wanted to associate himself with trends. Don't follow trends as an artist, especially if you know organizing trend. Be true to your roots. That's how Sandler is surviving. Sandler naga chaya ngwako afamba afeature ngwako but angasuki kama beba. So Mr. Summarizer, first of all, brand yourself. Ngadi default ya kutrana money. Secondly, it's management. Be careful of what you sign. Then show identity. You want to know your identity as an artist. To represent target market. Never move away from that. So time and subscribe ka channel ya wane manyanga tse komisa tar tento maka to tar video tar tenta tena ta wala ulo ta ne shaka MKC. Shap.